So I will start with the topic. The name of the topic is probability.
Okay.
Have you heard about a probability? What do you mean by a probability? Have you heard anything about probability?
No.
No, you don't know what is probability.
We've had like questions about it where you have to find the most possible answer. So what's more likely to happen?
What? I
More
can't hear you
likely to
properly.
happen.
Like you know a bit about probability.
Yeah.
Then what is the definition of probability?
I'm not sure how to explain it, but for
Like
example,
if
if you
you
have a
can't explain, like give me an example about
uh,
probability.
if you have a question with different data and it asks you like there's 4 blue coins, 5 green coins, and 6 yellow coins, and it'll ask you which coin is most likely to be picked, and it will
Okay.
be the coin with the color with the most coins.
Okay, so in my simplest language, I can tell you what is probability. Okay, so in simple language, probability means possibility. Okay, so in simplest language, probability means possibility. So, like, what is possibility in your language? What reminds of possibility? Possibility means something to happen.
Yeah.
Like possibility means likely something to happen. So, for example, I am taking an example like if there will be any chance of raining. So, like it's a possibility, right?
Yeah.
Rain will come or rain will not come. So, it's a possibility. So, this is the main example of probability. Okay. So, if I am talking about any other example, suppose I flip a coin. I flip a coin. So in coin, we have two sides.
Yeah.
Like in coin, we have two sides. First side is our head, and the second side is tail.
Yeah.
So we have two flipping. Like if we flip a coin one time, so the coin shows head and also shows tail. Okay. So there are two possibilities of a coin. If we flip a coin, so these are the possibilities of a coin. Okay. So we have two probabilities or we have two possibilities of a coin. The first possibility is head and the second possibility is tail.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you like understood the like quick definition of probability?
Yeah.
So like probability means,
Possibility.
yeah. So the possibility means,
The probability most likely to happen.
yeah. So I can just say that how likely something to be happen. This is called probability. Okay. Have you understand this?
Yeah.
My voice is hearable to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me take another example. Like, so suppose I have an example here. So the basic formula of probability, we know the basic definition of probability, right? So probability generally means possibility. Okay, so I have a formula of probability. So the formula of probability is that favorable outcome, favorable outcome over total outcome. Okay, so the main formula of probability is favorable outcome divide by total outcome. So this is the main formula we have used in every question. Okay, so we have a ratio. So my numerator says favorable outcome and my denominator says total outcome. So first of all, what do you mean by an outcome? So what is outcome?
The answer or what you get in the result in the end.
Yeah. So basically, I will say that outcome is what uh, after flipping or after throwing any die or after flipping any coin, the result comes up. That is called outcome. So suppose I have a coin. Suppose I have a coin. I just flip this coin. Okay. So I have two possibilities. So my first possibility is head and my second possibility is tail.
Yeah.
These are two outcomes. So here, after flipping any coin, I have two possibilities. So my first possibility is head and my second possibility is tail. Okay. So these possibilities are called outcomes. So after flipping any coin, I have two outcomes here. So my first outcome is head and my second outcome is tail. I may write this to be like with curly bracket, head, comma, tail, like this. Okay, okay. So suppose here if I found any probability of a head. So what is the answer? If I find, if I want to find a probability of a head, if if I have this set, so what is the like formula or what is the answer of this?
1/1,
One, one,
and then over the line and then 1.
one over one.
Yeah.
No, it is not correct. So first of all, you can see here the numerator is
Oh,
favorable
I
outcome.
what is
Okay,
it 1/2?
yeah. Why? Because favorable means the something we have to find that is called favorable. Okay, so our favorable is a head. So here our head comes up one time. So here the answer will be one over total. So we have total one and two. So the total is two. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have any one another example. So suppose I have a die. I have a die. In die, we have how many numbers in a die?
6.
Six. So one, two, three, four, five, and six. Okay. So I have six numbers in a die. So how to write these numbers? We use curly brackets by for writing these numbers. So I use curly brackets. So I write one, two, three, four, five, six, and the curly bracket. This is called curly bracket to write any number. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And I will give this like a name. So I will give this set a name that is name is A. Okay. So this is called a set. Set means if I write any number